Hi students. Today we are reading the book called The Magic Hat. The Magic Hat. Can we say that together? Say that with me, okay? The Magic Hat. Good, good. Does anyone know what a hat is? Have we heard of a hat before? Can someone tell me what a hat is? Yeah. Good, yeah. A hat is something or anything that we wear on our head, right? Something that we wear on our head. There are many different shapes and sizes of hats, many different shapes and sizes, right? Someone tell me about a hat they own. Does anyone have a hat they own they could tell me about? Yeah. Oh, good. You have a blue hat. So one typical right here, right? This is a hat, right? This is what a hat looks like, and this is a blue hat. Yep, a blue hat. Let's read the title again together. The Magic Hat. Good, good, good. Okay, and up here we see the author, Mem Fox. What's an author? Do we know what an author is, or who an author is? Yeah, okay. The author is someone or a man or woman who writes the book. Okay, so that's what the author does. The author writes the word, makes the title of the book, okay? Down here we see illustrated by Trisha Tusa, okay? Can anyone tell me who an illustrator is or what an illustrator is? Yeah, okay, the illustrator is someone who writes or who draws the pictures, right? Someone who draws the pictures. So the illustrator, in this case Trisha Tusa, drew these down here, all the boys and girls, okay? Drew the title and even drew this hat, which we think is magic, right? We're gonna find out as we go, okay? Before we start reading, okay, I wanna explain. The front of this right here would be the cover of the book, right? The front is always the cover. Then when we flip it around, we see it has a back, right? This is the back cover of the book. Awesome. And then you can see some pictures are back here too. And then the thing that's keeping it connected on the book right here, this part right here, is called the spine. Say that with me. The spine. Good. So we have the front cover. Good. What's this? The back cover and the spine. Okay, let's get into reading The Magic Hat. The Magic Hat. Awesome. Okay, and today we will be teaching you with the Magic Hat how to identify words that sound the same, okay, which are called rhyming words. And we'll also learn how we're going to read from left to right, okay? So let's start right here. One fine day from out of town and without any warning at all. Can someone tell me when we're reading, which way do we go? Does anyone know? When we read, we move on the page from left to right, correct? So right here at the word one is where we'd start on the left. And as we go, we move to the next word to the right, and we keep going until there's no words at all. And then we move down, correct? Someone tell me where we move on the page. Yes, left to right. Let's say it together. Left to right. Awesome. Okay, I'll read this again. One fine day from out of town and without any warning at all. Do you guys see the hat in this page? Good, man. There appeared a magic hat. There it is again. Oh, the magic hat. The magic hat. It moved like this. It moved like that. It spun through the air and over a road. Ooh. What do we notice? Do we see anything about the words hat and that? Let's say the words hat and that together. Hat, that. Good. Do we notice anything about these two words? I noticed something about these two words. They sound the same, don't they? Hat, that, there's something about them that sounds the same. And I think it's that ending right there, the at ending. Can we say that together? Can we say the at ending? Good, good, the at ending. Can anyone think of any other words that may end in at that you can think of? Any other words we know that end in at? Yeah. Cat, good. Bat, yeah, exactly. These words all end in at, right? And these are what we call rhyming words, or words that sound the same. So hat and that rhyme. Cat also rhymes. Bat also rhymes because they have the same ending, right? Let's read this again together, and let's read out hat and that so we can hear these two sounds that sound alike, right? Oh, the magic hat. The magic hat. It moved like this. It moved like that. It spun through the air and over the road and sat on the head of a warty old toad. Oh, the magic hat. The magic hat. It moved like this. It moved like that. It spun through the air like a bouncing balloon and sat on the head of a hairy baboon. Oh, the magic hat, the magic hat. It moved like this, it moved like that. Good. It spun through the air from over there and sat on the head of a sleepy old bear. Good. Students, did we hear a word that maybe might have rhymed with bear in the earlier? Think of something that had the same air ending that we just read. Can someone tell me what has the air ending right here and would be a rhyming word with bear? Yeah. There, yeah, very good, right? The air ending. They sound the same, so they are rhyming words. Oh, the magic hat, the magic hat. It moved like this, it moved like that. It spun through the air. It's true, and sat on the head of a kangaroo. Can someone come up here and show me with the pointer which way we're going to read on this page right here? The direction we're going to read, from where to where. How are we going to read? Yeah? Good. Do you guys remember? We read from left to right, don't we? Left to right. So we start on the very left, as far left as we can go. And we go all the way to the right until there's no more words left, and then we move down. Good. Oh, the magic hat, the magic hat. It moved like this, it moved like that. It spun through the air for 1.5 miles and sat on the head of a lofty giraffe. Ooh, do we see the giraffe here? That's a tall giraffe, isn't it? Wow. And then, we see the hat. With a skip, and then with a hop. Ooh, let's pay attention to the word hop here. Everyone say the ending of the word hop here. Op. Op, right? Good. Op. Op is the ending sound. A wizard appeared with a sign that said, what do we think would be the ending word right here? Something that would rhyme with hop. Can anyone give me the ending sound? Do we know this word? Yeah. Stop. Good. Yeah. As we see here, the op ending, right? Stop. So a wizard appeared with a sign that said, stop. Good. So everyone stopped and stared in surprise at the wonderful wizard with sparkling eyes, who took from his beard with a nod and a wink, a wand which he waved. And what do you do we know somewhere ending the wink? Ink. Good. And what do you think? The toad, the baboon, the bear, and the roo, and of course the giraffe, oh what a to-do, turned back into people, dazed and confused, watched by a crowd that was highly amused. While no one was looking, the wizard meanwhile skipped out of town with a mischievous Can we say the ending? Smile. Good. Good. We found the ending to this rhyming word that rhymes with meanwhile, right? So meanwhile and smile, 2 rhyming words. Good. And of course, on his head was the fabulous hat that made all the magic wherever it sat.